Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wishing you all a happy 2020. Let this year bring in a lot of joy, peace and success to each one of you. Thank you so much for the support you all have been showing me. We reached 500 subscribers and I'm truly happy. Thank you so much and keep this going. So today we're going to do another review video of the Style Craze box. So it is Style Craze review box part 2. So this comes in a really handy package. You can keep it in your bag and it's travel friendly. It retails for rupees 146. It gives me the smell, reminds me of Vico turmeric. It's really nice. I've tried it. I usually mix it with my concealer or foundation. It has that dewy effect when you use it with makeup and it's really nice. So the next product is Roopmantra Aloevera face wash. If you remember in my previous video, I've spoken about the cream. The cream is super hydrating. Like the cream, this is a non-drying face wash. It has no parabens, no sulfate, no silicone. It is gel based and it retails for 98 rupees. It proves to clean dust from the skin and also has reduced like a lot of blemishes and blemish marks. Next one is the Roopmantra Fruit facial kit. This retails for 955. So this has like 5 contents in it. First one is the cleansing milk, scrub, gel, face mask and a bleach. I've tried out all the 5. I'm not actually a facial person or something like that, but still before reviewing, I thought I'd give it a try. There are no side effects and no irritation. No cysts or pimples caused on my face, and I have a T-zone combination skin. Most probably I have oil on my forehead and my nose area, but this again doesn't dry out. You have to try this out. It's a great buy. 955 rupees for like 6 bottles. I'll just unbox this in front of you so that you'll know what is inside. So first is the cleansing milk, then is the scrub, then is the gel, then you have the face pack, and then the bleach and the moisturizer. It's like a power packed facial kit with lot of fruits and berries and all that. It smells like really great. Even the cleansing milk has like a smooth fragrance, like a mild fragrance. From Flipkart, Amazon and their website called stylecraze.com or even on Instagram. And keep supporting, following. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.